Sables from ArchMasters Orthotic Shoes and Footcare in Brentwood, Tennessee. I'd like to introduce you to some new products that we carry for many of the foot problems that we've been seeing. Bako Pathology Lab created a whole line of medical products with high-quality clinical therapeutic solutions for your problem. Bako Pathology is a well-known lab across the country specializing in pathology of the feet. One of the products is Thera Nail. If you have those dry, brittle nails, this is a vitamin supplement which will help correct that problem. Rx. If you have that nastiness in between your toes, a fungal infection, a whitish discoloration like a little callus there, it's usually a fungus. Rx would be the solution. Clarus antifungal cream. If you have athlete's feet, dry, cracking, a little tiny broken blisters, itching, that's most likely a fungus, and Clarus Tolnaftate would be the cream that you would like to use. VeruStat. If you have those warts, those little tiny warts or a larger wart, the nice thing about this product, you can just apply it, absorbs in, you don't have to cover it up, you don't have to worry about the pad slipping and killing skin that you don't want killed. Fungus nails. If you have those real thick, brittle, discolored nails, sometimes just a discoloration and sometimes really thick and distorted, we have medication that it will help penetrate into the nail and break that thick nail down and help kill the fungus. Kera-42 cream. If you have the dry cracking heels, fissures on the heels, whether it's on the heel or on the forefoot, this is a cream that will help penetrate and soften and help revitalize the skin. The great thing about these products is some of those chemicals in them or formula you can get over the counter. However, Bako has created a formula that is going to really enhance the use of this medication and doing the desired effect, killing the fungus, replenishing the skin, replenishing the nails. There's much more information that we can provide you. Give us a call. ArchMasters Orthotic Shoes and Footcare in Brentwood, Tennessee, Nashville's only shoe store with a doc, that's me, in every box. Thank you.